Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone front camera not working properly after iOS 18 update. So guys, as you all know that iOS 18 is officially released by Apple. But after updating to it, many of you are complaining that you are facing an issue of front camera. That your iPhone's front cameras are not working properly and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone front camera not working properly issue after iOS 18 update. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start our video. First of all, I will suggest you to do restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix minor software glitches affecting the camera. To restart your iPhone, you have to open the settings, then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is simply check for physical obstructions. Ensure that there is nothing physical blocking the front camera lens or the proximity sensor near the ear space. A case or screen protector could potentially obstruct the camera. After this, then you have to do is simply test with different cameras app. Sometimes the issues may be with the specific camera app. Test the front camera with the built-in camera app and also try third-party camera apps like Snapchat, etc. to see if the problem persists across different apps. After this, then you have to do is simply check your camera settings. You have to open the settings, search your camera, tap on it, and you have to make sure that all of these settings are correct. Make sure the record video is selected to 1080. Record slow-mo is selected to 1080 HD at 240 fps, and all of these are like this. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your camera settings. Searching your camera settings can fix these type of issues. To do this, you have to simply go back, tap on the general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iPhone front camera not working issue on iPhone after iOS 18 update. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.